Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my dorm tour for 2018 and I guess 2017. So 2017 to 2018, this is my room and everything. And yeah, we're going to start off the door. So there's the door and then there's the light switch thing. I don't know why I had to show that. And then I have this like dresser thing, like I guess you call it an armoire or a closet. I don't know what you would call it. And then here I'm just showing you my room just so you can get an overview of my room before we actually get into it. And I do share a room with my roommate, so this is my double room and I'm in a corridor. So here we're back at the door, so there's the door and everything, and then like I said, I do have this dresser, armoire type thing, I don't know what to call it. I keep snacks on the top, there's a mirror on the outside, and then I just have this little note on it that I already left on a door one day, so I decided to keep it there. And yeah, so I have a mirror and everything, and then I just keep my shoes, like my shower shoes, my boots and everything at like the front of my dresser, if you want to say that. Then you open it up and then you see what's in my actual closet armoire thing. So I have my shower stuff in there. I have this little bag that has also other essentials in there, like toothpaste, hair ties, stuff like that and everything. Then on the top I keep my K-cups, plastic bags, hats, gloves, whatever I honestly need up there. And then on the other side, that's where my clothes are, and then also any remaining shoes, which I have on the bottom, which you can't really see in this angle, but yeah. And then I have a basket full of like my hair dryer and other essentials that I might need, paper towels, tissues, all that kind of fun stuff. And then yeah, you can see that. Then I have this additional drawer in my closet, so I just have underwear, tank tops, stuff like that, bras in there. In the second drawer, I keep most of my socks, which is a hard drawer to open and everything, apparently, because I have too many socks. And then I keep jeans, bathing suits, because my school does have a pool, and just anything like that in there. Then I have this long mirror in the inside of my closet. I honestly don't use it, but this was the only place that I liked having it. I did have it in another location but I decided to move it because, I don't know, it just made more sense having it in here. So I have that in there, which is great for upload pictures, but I just hate where this mirror is, honestly. Then, like I said, my RA left this on my door one day, and it's just some nice positive encouragement, especially when I'm having like a hard time and I'm just like, oh, I hate college, I want to stop. Yeah. Moving on, this is where I keep my laundry basket, so all my laundry is in there, and then also I have a hanging rack behind it. My robe hangs on top, and then also put a towel there, but that's just not how it is. My snacks are always on top of my fridge, even though they tell us not to keep stuff on our fridge, but whatever, I'm a rebel. And then I keep my food on top of my fridge, so I have cookies, brownies. I had a lot of good food. And then my bread is there, my Keurig's there, everything is there. And then I also have K-cups next, so I really like how I have this part of my room set up. I don't know, I just really like it. And I have all the snacks there because you need some good old snacks, which I love. Also, you can't forget about what's in the fridge. So mainly I just have ice packs and ice cubes in my freezer, nothing really special. And then in my fridge I have apple juices, water, applesauces. I have just juices mostly, since I do have a dining plan, and then I have grapes down there because I love snacking on grapes. But I don't really have much food in my college fridge just because like we have a dining plan, I guess, so we eat there most of the time. And then here's my bed. I love this part of my room. So most of my blankets are from Target or Marshals and everything. I'll try to link everything down below, or at least list it and everything. Then I keep all my bags there, my backpack to the side and everything. And then yeah, this is my bed. So my comforter I believe is from Marshals, and then so my pillows might be from Target, but most of my stuff is from Marshals and Target. Yeah, this is where I keep my backpack, and then I have a stool because my bed is actually pretty high, so I need that. I love my pictures. I just have all these pictures just of memories and everything, which I love and everything. So I love my pictures. And then that Katie sign, I actually made it by old school, so I love that. It gives a personal touch to my room. And yeah, that's my bed area. And then under my bed I have these like, I guess, more drawers. So in this one I keep more jeans and everything. So that's where I keep those, and also shorts when it's summer, but when I'm filming this, it wasn't. And then I keep my sweats, gym stuff in here. I need to go to the gym more, but I honestly don't, which is so bad, but I need to. And then I have just like workout stuff, or not workout stuff, pajamas in there. Then I have just regular t-shirts in here, and sometimes tank tops. And then I have just my towels in there and then sheets and stuff down there. Then next to my bed is my desk, which is what I love. So I have my power strip, of course, right there, my lamp, tissue box, staplers, headphones, my chargers, like near my bed, if you can see that. And I actually have a lot of outlets, which is what I love about this room. This school is great. They give you so many outlets. I keep my makeup brushes there. I keep just any snacks there. I have my own makeup mirror. I got a better one for this time at school and everything. I keep my keys there and everything, and I have my iPad there, my planner's nearby and everything, and then there's my chair where I keep my coat and everything. And then yeah, it's kind of an overview. I keep important papers, cards, colored pencils, stuff like that in there, and then I keep like my vitamins, stuff like that in there, like anything I really need on a daily basis. Then in here, that's where I store my makeup. Fun times. Yay! I don't know. And then I keep some snacks down there, but also some of my school stuff, so you gotta keep that, you know, nice and safe. And then, yeah, I'm just showing you an overview of my desk again. And yeah, that's pretty much my room and everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really like how I decorated my room. I honestly really decorated it. And if you want to see my last room or dorm tour, I will have my last one linked in the eye. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And comment down below any videos you'd like to see next, because I would love to do that for you. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!